Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable a user account on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable a user account on Windows 10 computer, log into your computer with administrator account and right click on Start menu. Click on Computer Management. In computer management, click on local users and groups and expand it. Click on users. Here I have a user U1 and now it's disabled. The disabled sign is showing here. To enable this account, right click on the account and click on properties. And here under general tab you will find some options. An option is selected here, account is disabled. Just deselect the option, account is disabled, and now click on apply and then click on OK. And look, the disabled sign is not appearing on user icon and the user is enabled right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.